Welcome to Monarch Montessori School in Little Falls, New Jersey, an award-winning, fully licensed Montessori child care center, serving infants from 6 weeks through elementary age. For toddlers ages 18 months to 3, our bright, spacious rooms with bamboo flooring and cozy carpeting allow children to explore with ease. At Monarch Montessori, we follow the proven Montessori method, a child-centered philosophy developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, promoting independence, coordination, concentration, and a lifelong love of learning. Our hands-on curriculum covers language, math, sensorial learning, practical life, and cultural awareness. Secure your child's place at Monarch Montessori School, where education begins at birth and growth is nurtured every step of the way. Schedule a tour of our school today and witness the enriching Montessori environment firsthand.